You may be in an environment that the expectation to meet project goals and under budget within time constraints, basically meeting the triple constraints. There can be relentless pressure on that. So you have to understand. Here's a tip: being able to celebrate small wins and learn from each project to build the necessary confidence and resilience. Those are really going to be your foundation. Having the confidence, yet still having the being resilient in these types of things. Here's an actionable step that I recommend as well: is being able to set personnel and project goals that are challenging, yet you have an opportunity to reach them. I don't want to say that yet are achievable, but you have an opportunity. And when you have that opportunity, now you're breaking that limited belief that we've talked about here before. Point number six: uncertainty and flexibility in demands. One of the things I've noticed as with project managers, they must often navigate the changes in scope, which really now this means is a change in direction. This can be challenging